Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am going to be showing you how to loop music using Kotlin. Let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you import these 4 libraries at the top of your code. We'll be needing them for this tutorial. If you watched my previous tutorial, you'll be familiar with what we're doing here. We're going to be creating a clip object and then an audio input stream object. So the clip object is going to be responsible for playing the music. The audio input stream object is going to be responsible for getting the audio from the file into the clip object. So we can do val clip equals audiosystem.getClip, and then we can do val audio input stream equals audiosystem.get audio input stream file cynthia.wav. Then we're going to do clip.open audio input stream. So we're going to be giving the audio input stream to our clip so it knows what audio to play. And then we're going to do clip.loop continuously. So this is the same as the last tutorial, but this time instead of doing clip.start, we're going to be doing clip.loop. So that's going to tell us to play the clip, but we're going to be looping it. And we can pass in a value which is loop continuously. Basically, this is going to loop forever. Then underneath we're going to do thread start equals true, read line, and clip.stop. So the thread start equals true line starts a new thread of execution. In multi-threading programming, a thread is an independent sequence of instructions that can run concurrently with other threads, so we can kind of do more than one thing at once. And the start equals true parameter indicates that the thread should start executing immediately when we create it. And basically, if we weren't to have this bit of code, what would happen is we would get to this line, and then the program would stop because there's no more code to execute. However, if we create another thread that's literally just going to wait for user input, even though we've executed this line and we've now started playing music, the program's like, hey, I've got something else I have to do. I have to wait for the user to hit the enter key. And so that keeps the program operating. You probably won't encounter this problem in a more complex program, but for very simple stuff, you might encounter this. So we can do readline, which just waits for user input, so the enter key, and then we do clip.stop. Also, the program will stop running then, but this demonstrates how you can stop music that's looping. So we're going to save our work. If you're in the IntelliJ IDE, you can right-click on your project, go to Open in, Explorer. This is going to open where your Kotlin project is, so click on the folder. This is where my WAV file is going to be, next to the SRC folder and the IML file. You can put your WAV file wherever you want, but make sure you get the file path correct. Where I've got it placed, I can just reference the name of the WAV file. So let's save the work and hit play. And as you can hear, it looped. When it got to the end of the WAV file, it then started to loop again. So we're going to let it loop one more time. Now we're going to hit enter. And it stopped the music. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. Thanks for watching.